Hey everyone, this is Phantom back with another Linux customization video, and in this video I'm going to be customizing the Xfce desktop. And of course this is Linux Mint, and this is how it's going to look like after I'm done customizing. So if you don't know how to make it look aesthetic like this, then make sure to watch the video till the end, and if you like the video then make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I will really appreciate that, and let's just start this tutorial. Alright, so the first thing that I'm going to do is go to the browser, and so here I have all the Conky themes and the icons and the wallpaper and everything. You can find the links of these pages down in the description of this video. So here just go ahead and download the wallpaper, so just quickly do that, and let's download all of this as well. So the Sweet Mars theme, just click on it, click download, and then go to icons, go to files, scroll down and just download this one, v10x.tar. click on download, and once you've done that as well, let's go ahead and download this Conky theme as well, this one, click download, and finally this other Conky theme, go to files and then just download this .tar file as well. Now once you've downloaded all of this, close the browser, and I have already downloaded this, so let's go to the downloads, and here they are. Now let's go back and actually alright, so this is the folder. So I'm gonna just rename this folder to something maybe like customization. Alright, now here let's go ahead and quickly extract all of these files. So right click, extract here, then this one, extract here, and then this one, and this one as well. Alright, so let's just create a new folder, and let's just put this zip file inside that, because I don't need those anymore. Alright guys, now let's apply the wallpaper. So let me just right click and then just apply the wallpaper. Alright, now let's go to the home directory, and here go to views and then show hidden files, and then I'm going to just create a new folder here called .icons, and another folder called .themes. And once I've done that, let's go to this customization folder that I've just made, and here I'm gonna just copy this theme folder, Sweet Mars Xfce, and then go to the home directory, then go to .themes, and then just paste it over here, and then let's go to downloads again, customizations, and I'm gonna copy the icons folder and then go to the home directory, and here go to icons and then just paste it. Alright, now let's go inside that icons folder, and actually I've made a mistake. Let's go back and then just delete this and go to downloads again and go to this icons folder inside of the folder, and then I'm gonna copy this too, and then go to .icons and then paste it over here. And once I've done that, let's go inside that v10x dark, and here go to apps. I'm gonna simply delete this one because I just only need the symbolic icons, and then go back and then go to places, and I will delete this one. Alright guys, now let's go to settings, and now I'm gonna change the theme and the icons, and then go to appearance, and here I'm gonna scroll down and select Sweet Mars, and then go to icons and scroll down and select v10x dark, and then just close it, and actually let's go to the system settings again, and this time I'm gonna go to the window manager, and here scroll down and select Sweet Mars Xfce, and that is basically it. So I have successfully applied those themes. Kind of looks like this. I'm gonna just quickly deselect this option called show hidden files, and here it is. This is our file manager. So I'm done with customizing the file manager and the icons as well, which kind of looks like this, and this as well. And now let's go ahead and customize the desktop now. So I'm gonna install some Conky widgets. So for that, let's go to the terminal first, and here just install Conky, sudo apt install Conky space Conky all, and this is gonna install the Conky for us. And once you have done that, let's go inside the downloads directory where I have the Conky themes downloaded. One is this one and one is this one. So let's go inside of this rock and roll first, and here go inside the rock folder and then just quickly install the font first. Alright, just click on install. You're gonna have an install button here. Just click on install, and this is gonna install the font. And once I've done that, I'm gonna copy this Hermoso RC file and take it back right over here, and I'm gonna go inside this Aurori Conky theme, inside that, and then go to fonts, and then just quickly install the fonts first. Just click on install. Do the same for these two as well. And once you have installed those fonts, go inside this config folder, and I'm going to copy this 4 files, this one, this one, this one, and this one. I'm going to copy this, go back, paste it here, and I'm going to create a new folder. By the way, you don't have to create these new folders, but I'm doing it just to make everything simple. Alright, so I'm gonna just give it a name, something very simple. So I'm gonna call it Conky scripts, and click on create. Alright, and I'm gonna just copy, move these 4 files inside that Conky script folder, and let's go inside here, and I'm gonna just right click and create a new text file, and I'm gonna call it script. Click create, and I'm gonna right click, click on properties, and go to permission, and then just check this, allow this file to run as a program. And once I've done that, go inside that, and I'm gonna write a simple script here. It's gonna be this one. You can pause the video and then just watch this simple 3 or 4 lines of commands. So it's gonna be this bin bash, and then I'm gonna type Conky. Let's make it a bit bigger so that you can see clearly. Alright, Conky C .c, and here I'm gonna just simply take the path of this files. So go to properties, and then just copy this path, copy that, paste it here. Alright, and I'm gonna type the name as well, because I am simply indicating this file here called disk. Alright, so once I've done that, I'm gonna just put an and at the end of it, then copy this whole line, and let's not put any space here, and I'm gonna just copy paste it a few more times. And remember, you don't have to put an and at the end on this last line. So now I'm gonna just rename this very quickly. Just eliminate the spaces between those words, so this is gonna be easy for your script to actually work. So I'm gonna just change this name to this one, CPU 4 cores. Here, CPU 4 cores, and then here it's gonna be Hermoso RC. It's gonna have to it's gonna have to be the exact name what is given here, including the uppercase and lowercase and all the symbols. So Hermoso RC is done, and there is this one and then this last one. Alright, so once I've done that, then just save it. So once I've saved the script, I'm gonna just search for start and go to session and startup, and I'm gonna add the script in the startup list so that it's gonna run the script every time you log in. So I'm gonna go to application auto start and then go to add, and here I'm gonna just give it a random name like Conky, something like that, and then go to command and here I'm gonna just quickly search my script. Where is it? Conky scripts here, and this is the one. So I'm gonna just select that one, click on OK, and that is basically it. Now let's go ahead and tweak these Conky scripts. So alright guys, now let's go ahead, just log out and log back in, and I'm gonna see those Conky widgets on the desktop. Alright guys, so as you can see that I have logged out and logged back in, and this is how my desktop is kind of looking right now. Now this is not that static right now, so we're gonna have to do some editing on the Conky script. Just a very simple tweaking, and just to make it more static. So I'm gonna just go inside my customization folder and then go to Conky scripts, and I'm gonna just change the settings on the scripts one by one. So first I'm gonna go inside this Hermoso RC, and here I'm gonna change the maximum width to 600, and I'm gonna change the x-axis to 0, and then I'm gonna make the y-axis to 285, and just save it, and you will see that this is in the middle on the center right now. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this part of the Hermoso RC just from the border outer margin to the top, just this part. I'm going to copy that and then just quickly go to these other Conky scripts, and I'm going to just paste it over here. So basically replace this part with that one, like that, and then just paste it here and then just save it. Let's do the same with this as well. Now basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this part here of the Hermoso RC just from the border outer margin from this to the top, just copy that part, and I'm going to just go to these other Conky scripts and then just gonna replace the top part with that Hermoso RC script. So this is gonna be from the border outer margin from here. So I'm gonna just delete that and then paste it and then save it, and you will see what happens. Alright, so as you can see that it is the window is gone now. So this is what I want, so I'm gonna do the same for these others as well. So just replace that part with this, save it, and you will see that it looks a lot cleaner. And this final one, save. Alright, now so basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just place them right in the center position of these Conky widgets now. So let's go ahead, start with this one, the disk, and I'm gonna scroll down here and I'm gonna change the axes over here. Okay, so I have previously done this, so I'm gonna just check what were the position. So this one, so disk is gonna be this 1100 and 530. So I'm just quickly copy that and then just replace it with this one, and let's just save it, and you will see that the position is right over here. Alright, so I'm showing you this process how to change these positions. That's because not every desktop is gonna have the same resolution, so you're gonna have to make the adjustments here. So this is not gonna be the same as mine, but I'm showing you how to change it. So yep, so let's just change these other ones very quickly. This one, okay, so I have 4 of this, and let's go ahead and open these ones as well. This and this. So these are the older ones. So let me just quickly copy the position, save it. Guys, I'm saying this again, and that is not every desktop is comes with the same resolution, so you're gonna have to check which one works for you. So you're gonna have to do it yourself, make the adjustments. Alright, so this looks nice, I guess. Okay, so I'm gonna just quickly change the colors now. So this is how you're gonna change the colors. So you're gonna scroll down and then just change the default color to 6Fs. So this means white. So this is gonna change the color to white, and yep, that's it. Now let's do the same for these others as well. Change the default color to white, and then this one, save it, and done. Alright, so I'm gonna work with that one later. Let's just work with this first. Okay, so we are almost done. So I'm gonna just change the position of the panel. Go to settings and then just go to panel, and I'll make it vertical on the left side, and then just lock the panel, and I'm gonna make it always. So this is gonna be hidden when you're not using the panel, and if you hover your cursor, you're gonna show, this is gonna show up. Alright, so we are getting there, we are almost there, but there's a few more tweaking that I'm gonna do, and that is right click on the desktop and then go to desktop settings, and here I'm gonna go to icons, and then I'm going to select this trash and home icon. Nope, not this one, just two. Okay, so this two will work. Alright guys, so I'm gonna put this one the right bottom corner, and let's just put this here. Okay, so finally I'm going to just put a clock right over here. So for that, let's go to the downloads, and let's go inside the rock and roll, and let's go inside rock 1. Not this one. Let's go inside the rock 3, and I'm gonna go to views and then show hidden files. Go inside the rock 1, and I'm gonna just take this dot Conky RC. First of all, I'm gonna rename it to clock. Click rename, and I'm gonna copy this, and here let's go to Conky scripts and then just paste it over here. Alright, so this is gonna be our clock, so I'm gonna just add this clock inside my script. So let's go ahead and edit my script. So I'm gonna put an and here and then press enter, and I'm gonna copy this one, paste, and remember to not put an and at the end. So I'm gonna just close that, and I'm gonna just type here clock, save it, and I'm gonna just quickly log out and log in, and let's see what happens. Alright guys, so I have logged in, and as you can see that this is our clock in the middle right now. So I'm gonna change the position of that, so let's go ahead and change that. Alright, now let's go to the downloads and go to scripts, and this is our clock script, and now let's just change the position. Let's go ahead and put this down, maybe let's say 400. Alright, so let's go ahead with 500. I don't think it can go below that. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go with this one. I'm gonna just have to change the color because this is too bright. So let's go to the browser, and I'm gonna change the color code here. I'm gonna search for color codes. Alright guys, so I'm gonna pick a color here, and I'm gonna just copy this code, copy that one, and then just change the colors here. So paste it, no space, and paste it here as well. This too, and basically all the colors here I'm gonna change. And let's see what happens. And as you can see that it has this gray kind of color now, so I think this looks nice. Not too bright, just enough to see the time. Alright, so this is it guys. Now we can do some more tweaking if you want. I just showed you how to make those changes. Maybe you can change the colors on this, make everything white if you want. But that is basically it, and yep, I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, you can give it a like and subscribe. I would really appreciate that, because these customization videos takes a lot of time, and I hope you will appreciate that as well. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you in the next video.